Hey there creators, welcome to Ideaplex. Are you ready to transform your video ideas into stunning visual masterpieces? Well, in today's video, we're diving deep into the world of video editing with Videoleap by Lightricks. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, Videoleap offers a powerful set of tools to take your videos to the next level. From multi-layer editing and keyframe animations to green screen effects and more, this app is your go-to for creating professional quality videos right from your phone. Do you ever scroll through your social media feed and see those amazing, eye-catching videos? You know, the ones that make you laugh, inspire you, or leave you wanting more? Well, guess what? You can create those videos yourself, easily, and without needing a fancy editing suite. You'll learn how to unleash your inner editing ninja and create stunning social media content that will blow your audience away. Videoleap is not just another video editing app, it's a creative playground. Whether you're working on a TikTok, a YouTube vlog, or just a fun clip for Instagram, Videoleap has got you covered with its powerful yet easy to use tools. From basic trimming and cropping to adding complex effects and transitions, Videoleap lets you do it all with just a few taps. Plus, it's packed with AI-powered features like background removal and one-click filters that make your videos pop. Imagine having the ability to effortlessly add stunning visual effects, dynamic transitions, and captivating filters to your videos. With Videoleap, you can bring your vision to life with just a few taps, creating a cinematic experience. It's a perfect tool for anyone who wants to up their social media game and start creating videos that people will love. No fancy editing experience needed, just your creativity and a phone. As a content creator, Videoleap has given me the ability to stand out from the crowd. The effects and transitions are so seamless, and it's incredibly easy to use. First up, let's talk about the features that will blow your mind. Trim and cut your clips with precision, add stunning transitions that keep your audience hooked, and overlay text that makes your message pop. Want to add a splash of creativity? Dive into a treasure trove of filters and effects to give your video that extra pizzazz. It's about telling your story, expressing your creativity, and connecting with your audience on a deeper level. It's about capturing moments that matter and turning them into memories that last a lifetime. Let's break down some of the coolest features. First up, the AI background removal. This feature is a game changer for anyone who wants to create professional looking videos without the hassle of a green screen. Next, we have the keyframe animation tool, perfect for adding those smooth cinematic transitions. And don't even get me started on the special effects library. It's like having Hollywood at your fingertips. And the best part, you don't need to be a pro to make your videos look amazing. Videoleap's intuitive interface means anyone can jump in and start creating. Videoleap has a ton of pre-made effects to choose from, like vintage filters, glitch transitions, and even trendy light leaks. You can adjust the intensity of each effect for a personalized touch. Some of the coolest features. Multi-layer editing. This feature allows you to stack videos, images, text, and effects, giving your content depth and professionalism that will make your audience go wow. Make text stand out, blur the background to make important text pop, making it easier to read and more impactful in your ads, reels, or TikToks. Videos backdrop in a single tap with AI video background remover. Whether you need to eliminate distractions or simply want a change of scene, Videoleap makes it fast and simple. Videoleap made editing so much fun. Videoleap app makes it easy to stitch two or more different videos together, capturing various perspectives and angles in your story. Combine clips and instantly create video content to share on your YouTube channel, TikTok, or any destination. Choose from Videoleap's selection of over 100 presets. You can make a video black and white for a classic feel, or make a video look vintage for a nostalgic touch, and more. These filters apply to your entire editing timeline, and their intensity can be adjusted, transforming your footage with just a few taps. Turn your vacation clips into a curated highlight reel that feels like a mini VK every time you hit play. From beachy sunsets to family dinners, make your holiday vacation memories stand out and create a memento you can cherish for years. All in one captivating montage with Videoleap's recap video templates. Find the perfect TikTok template for your next viral post, tailored for every mood and trend, from business highlights to beauty tutorials. Discover thousands of eye-popping pre-made video templates ready to use for social media. Just add your assets and let Videoleap do the rest. No prior video editing experience required. Maximize your YouTube impact with Videoleap's dynamic effects from the video effects editor, text animations from Text Video Maker, and transitions. Utilize editor to make YouTube one of the most powerful ways to communicate with your audience. Craft custom ads in seconds with Videoleap's text-to-video AI video editing. Videoleap's extensive template library ensures you never run out of ad ideas. With templates tailored for various industries and platforms, you'll find the perfect starting point for your ad campaign. Choose templates that fit your vision, follow inspiring profiles to get tailored content suggestions. Take advantage of Videoleap's library of pre-made video templates. Just add your assets and let Videoleap do the rest, no experience required. Remove and change video backgrounds in your content effortlessly. Whether it's a photo or a video up to 35 seconds, this AI-driven tool automatically handles complex backgrounds, providing a clean, professional look without any manual effort. With Videoleap's advanced AI, expand images and enhance your visuals, all while preserving quality in seconds. By smartly understanding the context of your video or image, AI creates new content that smoothly blends in with the original, filling any missing gaps. Turn your image or video into a standout piece with AI Infinite Zoom. Whether you're a content creator looking to wow your audience, someone passionate about the latest in AI, or just looking for a unique visual journey, this feature has you covered. Videoleap allows you to add text overlays, animated titles, and even fun stickers to enhance your storytelling. No video is complete without killer sound. Videoleap lets you import your favorite music, add sound effects, and even record voiceovers. Videoleap is more than just an app, it's a gateway to unlocking your creativity. So if you haven't tried it yet, what are you waiting for? Ready to try it out? Click the link below to start your free trial. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe to Ideaplex for more tips, reviews and tutorials. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update, and let me know in the comments below what you want to see next. Your creativity is just one app away from being unleashed. Thanks for joining me today and happy editing.